Coach, fifth place Nationals last season. How do you top that this season?
I think the way you top it is by taking fourth or above. That would be the easiest answer. But we just have to have everyone working hard and doing the things they did last year, and I think good things will happen.
Okay, and you had the wrestle-offs last weekend. What did you learn from that event?
I think we have a pretty good team. I think there's a lot of work to be done. But the wrestle-offs showed I think we're right where we want to be for now. We have a competition this weekend, off campus that'll help us, against non-Edinboro guys. I think that's when you really get a feel. The wrestle-offs just kind of see how you feel as far as conditioning and where we're at physically, but I think now we'll get a better feel this weekend.
Okay, a couple guys graduated last year. How do you fill in those gaps, especially at the heavyweight position?
Whenever you lose seniors, you lose that leadership and the personality they bring to the team. But, we're fortunate. We have some good kids, especially, Johnny's weight, the 157. We have a number of good kids in there, and obviously Austin Matthews won the wrestle-off. He looks really good. At heavyweight, we don't know yet. It's kind of in flux. Billy Miller won the wrestle-off. We're not sure what we're going to do yet with him, whether he's going to redshirt. We may move up one of the 97-pounders. We're going to have to wait and see.
Okay, you get the 3 All-Americans back. How does that help you build to this season?
I think whenever you have one All-American back, it's nice. You have some kind of leadership, somebody who's been there and done it. To have 3 guys that have been there, and 3 guys that are very focused on trying to win an individual national championship. It's really important, for the younger guys to see how these guys prepare, see how they practice. I think it's really vital for your younger guys to see that.
Those guys that were All-Americans, how do they take the next step to become maybe a national champion this season?
I think the 3 All-Americans take the next step by doing the same things they've done to get where they are now. They keep consistent training, keep improving on the little things, and refining what they're already good at. But I think just stick to the game plan and keep the faith.
Right. You put together a tough schedule for this season, especially with Pitt so early next week. How will that tough schedule, help your team improve throughout the season?
Well, I think it gives you early tests. When you're talking about Pitt, and you're talking about Michigan, Central Michigan, Lehigh, Cornell, all top 10 or 15 programs, in that first 2 months of the season. It's going to give us a test and really let us know where we are, so that moving forward, we can work on things and hopefully it'll help us reach a higher peak at the end.